Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tiffany Altilio, and I want to talk to you about something that a lot of us have experienced, plantar fasciitis. Woo! So many people have different experiences with plantar fasciitis. So first of all, for those of you who don't know what that is, awesome. That's great not to know what that is, but it's when the bottom of your foot just burns. It hurts really bad. And I remember when I first started feeling plantar fasciitis, it was when I was doing a particular type of workout that had me up on my toes a lot. And that's when I first started noticing it, and never really had too many concerns about it before then. And then I started to pay attention, and I noticed I see all over the place people have different gadgets that you can buy, special shoes, special massagers. Everyone has their special treatment, even going in there and grinding stuff up with a sharp tool on the bottom of your foot kind of stuff. And then I took this functional neurology program. It's a postdoctorate program, and we started talking about certain muscles that need to be strengthened. And it was one of the things that really started to make sense to me, and I really liked that because I knew everything else seemed to be a temporary relief. So there is a muscle in the front of your leg that's called your tib anterior, and by walking with some elevation, actually by strengthening the tib anterior, by walking with some elevation, made a huge difference in plantar fasciitis. One of the things I love about that is that no extra equipment, you didn't have to buy any gadgets, you didn't have to go see anyone, and if that can work for you, that would be awesome, because those of us that have had to deal with it, it can wipe you out of your sport. It can wipe you out of your exercise and things that you love. I mean, it can get really bad. So starting there is a really great place. And then if you notice, like, you give that a try, another area as you start looking up, everything's connected, hips, knees, ankles, it's all connected, that you want to check the alignment above too. But first, give that a shot and just see what happens. All right, making our community better one person at a time, remember. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it and you want to see more, please hit like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.